quick hair update. Yes, I was requested by a couple people on my channel to just give an update as to how the hair holds up. This is day 7 after it was installed. Yes, and I must say it's holding up pretty well. Who is that unwelcome guest in my video? I was most concerned about the braided portion, that it would get messy really fast, because braids tend to do that. Flat cornrows tend to do that. However, I made sure to tie it down every single night. I was not playing about that because I'm usually very bad with my hair. Yeah, I must confess, even though I'm the one to be offering advice to my clients as to how to preserve their hairstyle, I usually am not very good at doing that. I'm the one that will just jump in the bed with my hair uncovered and all of that jazz. But I made sure I did that, so I must point out that that's important to preserve a hairstyle like this. But the curls are still going. I don't mess with them much, so maybe that's why they're not really giving me any issues. I did see 1 and 2 pieces that were tangled a little bit and frizzy, but like I said, this is actually a short-term hairstyle for me. So yeah, and if you're not really messing with it, you're not trying to comb it through, you're not trying to style it too much, the most I do is wear it down, or I will just put it up in a ponytail and just go. I actually might do a ponytail because we're doing somewhat of a hike today, so I don't think I want it all over the place. So let me just do a quick high ponytail. But yeah, overall it works. It's a good vacation though. All right, so all right, so this is it with me doing the high ponytail. Yeah, fit for the activities that we're doing today. So yeah, this style can work, guys. Try it.
And it's very ponytailish.
Very ponytailish. Hollywood, here we come. Why he being a chump? Why he scared to jog? Everybody jogging. Okay. Everybody jogging. Everybody. But look how steep though. Look how steep. This is scary.
She never told me about this part. She told me from the observatory. Now she has been walking.
Morning.
That's okay. It's a good workout.
Good workout, which we all need.
The ladies are going to join us. He's wicked. Look, someone found over there.
This is crazy.
Look, in our elements.
How your foot feel, babe?
Feel very hurtful.
Okay, see, your foot was hurting
My
before.
foot is hurting me still.
Guys, let me introduce you to my other half.
No, this you can't. There's no way. The two of us are gonna drop down the gully.
Down the gully.
There's no way we can be hugging up and walking.
Down the gully. Let me show you. Houses down there. P, stop. Hollywood. Hollywood singing. Hollywood. Hollywood singing. Hollywood singing.
Yeah. California, 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 no doubt about it. I can't, my foot back hurt me. I'm here to walk up the mountain.